So firstly, Merry Christmas आप दोनों को.
Thank you.
So, इस बार Christmas के क्या plans हैं आपके?
Okay, so for me, Christmas, I think मुझे इस बार का मेरा Christmas हर साल की तरह नहीं करना, where you know I go out with loud music and everything. I think Akash must be throwing a party at his place, so I'm going to be a part of that.
Yeah, exactly. So ये मेरा second Christmas है बॉम्बे में और आप सबने जैसे देखा है हर festival is happening at my home. So all the Splits family is there, Odie's family is there. So again for Christmas also I'm having a party at my home. So मुझे तो लगता है हम अपने अपने करीबी लोगों के साथ बैठे कुछ बातें करें, थोड़ा jam session करें.
Yes.
We have some fun. That is the best thing. So that's what we're gonna do.
So what's the best part about Christmas Eve?
Christmas evening, first of all, so okay, I know I am all like grown up, but I still do believe in hanging that socks where I feel like Santa will come and he'll drop something. So maybe not that, but I will still put that socks and maybe he'll draw one of my dream which will not be visible, but yeah, I'll get to hear about it. So yeah, this is what I
So
love
for
about
me, it's
Christmas.
like I love to cook, so I every year I bake a cake on Christmas. That's the patent thing. और मुझे तो लगता है ये festivals जो होते हैं, चाहे कोई भी festival हो, एक for an example Christmas, it's a way for everybody to get together. हम सब लोग अपनी lives में काम में इतने ज़्यादा busy हैं, तो I think it's a nice way to come together, to have fun, and to talk about our lives and to talk about our new year things. So yeah, for me it's just an excuse to celebrate.
So one of your fans is asking, is it true that Akash and Naina are in relationship?
No! They are best buddies!
Yeah, guys,
They're
we are not in
buddies.
relationship.
Come on, they're best buddies.
So we are like brothers. We both are like brothers. For me, she's a brother. She's a girl, but for me, she's a brother. And I really love her. I love her.
Gosh, ये गलतफहमी का मुझसे ये सवाल पूछा जाता तो शायद मैं थोड़ा सा सोचती.
Yeah, no, but we really are like brothers. We are like bros. We always have that thing, and she trusts me. वो मतलब मेरे से ज़्यादा मेरे काम में वो ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेती है. मुझे कुछ अगर नहीं वर्कआउट होता तो she's the one who's more tense. So guys, don't get by our pictures. Our pictures are deceiving. Pictures are deceiving.
Yeah, you can never figure out what's going
Yeah.
behind
So
the story
what
of the
happens is
picture.
1 week I'm in relation with Naina. A previous week I was in relation with Divya. उससे पहले some other girl. So I have no idea.
Yeah.
Okay, so उसी को मैं कंटिन्यू करूँगी. अब क्या आप रिलेशनशिप में किसी के साथ जो आप अपने फैंस को बताना चाहेंगे?
So मैंने हमेशा ही बोला है कि रिलेशनशिप एक टर्म देना बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. आप कोई भी एक आप बॉन्ड होता है उसको आप रिलेशन बोल सकते हैं. जहाँ तक बात आती ऋतु और मेरी भी never said that we love and we have that committed thing. We have always said that we have a good bond. It's more than a friendship. We always gel up together. We celebrate together. So I'm still, I would not term it as a relationship, but yeah, like I'm not available also.
So for me, I think me and Mohit, we were really good friends on the show, and even after the show, we guys gel up so good together. So and honestly, I'm really not looking to get into any relationship, right? Because now my focus is to focus on my career, because this is high time. Relationships can wait, and right now, yeah, like Akash said, I'm not available as well.
Okay, so Splitsvilla की बात हो रही है तो कैसी रही आप लोग की जर्नी Splitsvilla में?
There you go.
So my journey was a roller coaster ride, to be very honest. Very many ups, many downs. मतलब आप सब लोगों ने देखा ये कितने हम लोग खिचड़ के लटक के कोशिश करी पहुंचने की, कितनी लड़ाइयाँ हुई सब लोगों से, कितनी मेहनत करी. For me and Ritu, every day we used to wake up और हम यही सोचते थे कि आज हम बाहर जा रहे हैं.
Yeah, I
तो
swear.
हम सुबह सबको आके बोलते थे कि अच्छा आज तो हम बाहर जाने वाले हैं. तो हमारे लिए तो बहुत ही मुश्किल जर्नी थी. Like it was a very difficult journey for me especially. I got evicted, then I get back in the show, then again I got evicted, and again I came back as an ex-Splits villain. So for me, I was in the show entirely, but as experience it was very good. I realized that मतलब मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा लोगों के बारे में, and it was a dream for me which I always wanted to live. So for me it was a beautiful journey.
So for me, Splitsvilla was starting में it was very emotional for me, because I was trying to figure out कि भाई चल क्या रहा है, मतलब because यार जब मैं so it was, I think हम दोनों का पहला reality show था, but I don't know, I was very confused. Like I used to get so emotional. I used to cry about things and all of it. And then there were of course Akash, Divya, who used to come and tell me, "Ki listen, use your brain, don't cry, don't cry." I've been a cryo baby, but later when all these people they started supporting me, and जब मुझे मेरा पहला task perform करने का मौका मिला था, जिसमें रिपू से मैंने मेरी बेइज्जती का बदला लिया था, like I won that challenge, then I realized, bro, I can stay in this game. And then since then it was a fun journey for me. And as he said that ये him and Ritu being against the whole villa, मेरे लिए तो it was a fun journey. मैं सबकी दोस्त थी.
Because इसके साथ क्या होता था, ये दिमाग कम लगाती थी, इमोशन से बह जाती थी.
Yeah, so
इसको हमने इतना समझाया था कभी कभार, कैसे तू ये कर ले वो कर ले, आती थी डोम में कुछ अलग डिसीजन, लिए लो कर दिया.
Because I've been so emotional on the show, and I think that emotion was the, I think emotion नहीं यार, नाचिकेत की वजह से, if you guys have seen Splitsvilla, I got out of the show, I got evicted because of Nachiket. I mean, so that was the good thing that no one voted me out. So I believe I've made a lot of friends on Splitsvilla. So yeah, it was a good journey for me.
So even Priyank is in Big Boss. So do you follow Big Boss?
Yes, I do.
I don't. I just get to know through Instagram because I don't know why मुझे ही लोग टैग करते हैं सारी पिक्चर्स में कि जहाँ प्रियंका नाम है आकाश चौधरी को टैग करो, you see this. So I really don't want to see, but people make me see that. So yeah.
I mean, I follow Big Boss. So yeah, I mean.
So how are you liking Priyank in it?
Priyank, so before Big Boss also in Splitsvilla, like I said that I've been good friends with everyone. तो मैं प्रियांक को बोलती थी कि यार भाई मुझे तू समझ में नहीं आता, जैसे वो 50 Shades of Grey मूवी थी ना, मुझे लगता है you have 50 shades of your own. So after watching Big Boss, like Splitsvilla में I try to understand him and disconnect. I try to understand him, and then I thought that he might be a mature guy who
Which
thinks,
he's not
yes,
at all.
So he will think out through things, like कुछ करने से पहले वो सोचते हैं, कुछ बोलने से पहले वो कुछ सोचते हैं. But after watching Big Boss, where there are like 130 cameras, 107 cameras, yeah, I think I don't know. So यार अब I'm confused, like जिस तरीके से वो कमेंट्स पास कर रहे हैं शिल्पा जी के लिए, अर्शी के लिए, एंड वो अपने गेम्स चेंज कर रहे हैं, पहले सपना के साथ, फिर स्टार्टिंग में विकास के साथ, फिर सपना के साथ, फिर हिना के साथ, फिर विनाशा. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा what is Priyank doing. So Priyank, my message is for you to grow up and please play nicely and stop talking about other people.
So for me, it's like he's flicker in his brain. He's a confused soul. मतलब वो शायद लोगों को realize होने में बहुत time लग गया, हमें Splitsvilla के time से ही पता था. As an individual, as an adult, like saying things about somebody's body, somebody's clothes, you know, कुछ ऐसी गलत चीजें बोलना, they're wearing a bikini and saying something about somebody's mother, family, मतलब बहुत ही I would say गंदा. Like he's playing really ugly. I would not say it's smart thing. He's brainless. I would say.
क्योंकि यार task perform करने के वक्त भी कुछ boundaries होती हैं which you shouldn't cross.
And then the way he shouts, and you know, for him, he's a star in his brain. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो दोनों के साथ है, हिना और प्रियांक के साथ, so he's a star in his brain. So
that's why they're best friends.
That's why they are best friends. So they both are dramebaz. So to be really honest, I don't watch Big Boss because of Priyank, because I think it's very negative. I was a die-hard Big Boss fan, but this year I've stopped watching it. The only people I would like to see in Big Boss sometime for fun is Shilpa and Vikas. That's it.
So प्रियांक और दिव्या की जोड़ी स्प्लिट्सविला में बहुत अच्छी थी, काफी प्यार भी था. अब वो ब्रोकअप कर चुके हैं, तो फिर anything you want to comment on that?
वो प्यार दिखता अच्छा था. वो प्यार अच्छा था या नहीं था वो हमें नहीं पता. प्यार दिखता
बहुत अच्छा था. One of those fairy tales. Oh my God, la 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 la.
So Divya is very close friend to me, and जब वो आती थी घर वो बातें करती थी. She was very fond of Priyank, but from Priyank's end we never, you know, heard anything. Big Boss में जाके भी उसने एक बार भी दिव्या का नाम नहीं लिया. So I think it was very much fake. I would say that.
From one part.
From one side. मुझे मैं कहूँगा दिव्या की साइड से genuine था या हो सकता है.
हाँ, because she वो हम सबसे भी बात करती थी आके प्रियांक के बारे में, like what is happening and all of that. So yeah, I feel bad for her.
And I think Priyank has used her to go ahead in the show, to be very honest. And maybe also. On some hand.
So for this, I think. I think I don't know about Divya, but yeah, he surely used Nibby because there was this task. Do you remember where you have to propose girls? And so I think Nibby was the only person left, and then I proposed her because I was feeling bad. यार ये अकेली लड़की रहेगी, कोई तो कुछ करो. So I went up. I was like, okay, I'll propose Nibby. So yeah, in a way.
Okay, so we're back to Christmas Eve. So 2017 खत्म होने आ रहा है, तो 2018 में आप क्या यादें लेके जा रहे हैं 2017?
मेरे पास तो पूरा बैग है यादों का, like a big bag.
हमारे पास बैग है, मेरे पास वो जो ट्रेन के डब्बे होते हैं ना.
So we have a full bogie because 2017 for like especially for us we guys, it's a you know turning point in our lives. मतलब मैं बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हुआ 2017 के शुरू में जनवरी में. Splitsvilla happened, then some couple of other things happened. Lot of fame came, lot of struggle we saw in Bombay. Coming from Delhi, staying with family, being a brat, a spoiled kid, and then यहाँ आके you know हर चीज के लिए struggle करना, अपने bills खुद पे करना, घर survive करना. तो मेरे लिए तो मतलब 2017 has changed me as a person. Like what I was as a spoiled brat in Delhi, I have become a responsible individual now. So for me, it was a beautiful year, and Bombay has given me so much. Industry has given me so much. For me, it was a beautiful year.
So in short, 2017, I think after Splitsvilla, it changed my life. And one more thing which I shouldn't forget, that I got unconditional love. And
Yeah.
unconditional love means my fans. People who are following us.
They're like family for us.
Why? Because they don't even know us, but still, whatever used to happen in the show, they have been with us. Like I got eliminated, I got so much love from my fans saying that we are with you, we feel sad. So many memories I have, and so this flying kiss for my fans. Yeah, who have always been there for me. So I love you guys so much, and thank you for always being there for me, for us. So,
For all of us.
Yes, so this is one of the things which I am taking with me in 2018.
And I hope it continues.
Yes, that's
Keep
what.
loving us.
Yes, keep loving us.
Okay, so whom you want, like वो आपका secret Santa होना चाहिए या आप किसी के secret Santa बनना चाहेंगे? आप
मैं किसी का सीक्रेट सांता बनना चाहूँगा.
Same.
I would like to be secret Santa to my mom. I'll give you a reason why. Because my sister just got married. So my mom and I also stay in Bombay. So my mom stays alone. So she's very emotional. I'm like a mama's boy. So I would like to be secret Santa to my mom, and I would like to surprise her with something which can make her happy. मेरी माँ बहुत छोटी-छोटी चीजों में खुश हो जाती है. So I would like to be secret Santa to her.
So I think same. I agree with him. मुझे भी secret Santa बनना है for my sister and brother. Because my sister, she's 21 and my brother, he's 19. They both are pretty young and they are so confused in their mind of what they want to do in their life. So I want to give them the light which shows them, okay, this is what they're made for, and this is what they want to do in their life. So yes, definitely I would want to be secret Santa for my sister and brother.
And my friends have been secret Santa to me, all my friends, because they are throwing surprise party for all my birthday.
Wow,
So they are
that's
secret Santa to me.
Nice.
So any resolution you have set and a last Christmas and New Year wish?
Okay, so let me go
So
first.
you want us to tell about the last year New Year resolution or the coming resolution?
Coming resolution.
So let
the
me-
last year
let
one
me-
we don't remember.
That's what I was about to say. So last year also I've made a lot of resolutions जिनमें से कि I think 3-4 मैंने पूरे किए होंगे, and I'm like again close to 2018 with the 2017 resolutions. So for 2018 I've made one resolution, that is one thing I'll try my best to stick on, which is next to impossible if you are a part of industry. So which is that hear good things, no, hear bad things. Even if you hear bad things, talk good about people. Like let's just say if Akash is bitching about me, and if I get to hear it from someone, I'll still talk good about
You're
it.
gonna lose this resolution.
Like I said, if you're a part of industry, you can't do it. But I'll still try my best, because this is like, live and let live.
Let's live.
Spread love, darlings. Spread
For
love.
me, last year I made a resolution that I've shifted to Bombay. I'll make a name, which I did. This year, so in 2018, I'm representing India in an international pageant. So for me, the resolution is to make my country proud, to work hard, and to do everything possible to win the pageant. So that's my New Year resolution this year.
And last wish, Christmas wish and New Year wish to your fans.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry
and
Christmas, guys,
Happy
and I
New
wish
Year.
you a very happy New Year in advance and lots of love. हमारे जैसे resolutions मत बनाइएगा जो आप लोग follow नहीं कर सके. Make sure you make good resolutions. सबसे के लिए शिफे भुला करके
Spread love.
spread love. 2018 में अच्छे तरीके से enter कीजिए. And one more important thing, guys. So lately I've been a social worker, as I've been supporting dogs and puppies
Stray
and everything,
animals.
stray animals. Plus I've been helping orphan children as well. Whenever you get thoda sa bhi time which you spend on gossiping, so please gossiping na karke take out that time, go to any orphanage, spend some time with children. If you'll do that, trust me, you'll love it.
It's like आप जब दूसरे की खुशी
Yes.
में खुशी देखेंगे तो आप it feels amazing.
And
Trust
that
me.
love is unconditional, and that love is pure. And when you try to help dogs and everything also, trust me, वो बेजुबान जानवर की भी blessings लगती हैं. So please try to do that in 2018, because you never know वो सारी blessings आपको कब कहाँ काम आ जाए.
That's it.
Even your fans are wishing you a Merry Christmas.
Oh,
Merry Christmas,
mwah,
Happy
Merry
New Year,
Christmas,
guys.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Thank you.